This woman was relaxing at home and checked on her daughter throwing a tantrum. But when she got up, she found something unexpected. Her reaction is hilarious.
Oh, please go away! I don't like you! God! Ah! Ah! Oh my fucking God! Why is this happening to me? Yes, out the window. Okay, the window needs opened. Go and open the window, James.
Well,
Okay, once out.
you come near me, I'll fucking punch you.
No, you're not. Don't, please.
It's not good, actually.
Go and open the window properly. It needs out. It wants
I
out.
got it.
It didn't. It walked up the stairs. Yes, it.
It came up through the window. That's what happened.
Why do they want our house?
Why